Hello and welcome students. Welcome to GRS Technical. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you the rat trap summary of class 12th English. This chapter is from English Flamingo. This chapter is very much important for your pre-board examination as well as in your boards examination. So please watch this video till last, and if you do like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like this video and share it to your friends. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. So the summary begins here. The rat trap summary is about a man who is a peddler. Means this is a story is about a peddler. Okay? Now, he has a pessimistic attitude towards the world. The peddler has not always been like this and was a fine man before. Means that the peddler has not always been like this and was a fine man before. Okay. However, due to misfortune, he has resorted to selling rat traps, begging, and even stealing to survive. Means he was a good man before, but now what is the condition of that man? Now he is selling rat traps, he is begging, and even he is also stealing for his survival. Right? Moreover, he also views the world as a big rat trap. He believes that much similar to the cheese we put for mice. Means that moreover he also views the world like a big rat trap. It means that all the world is a big rat trap. He believes that much similar to the cheese we put for mice, the world offer us materialistic things to nurture us. Means we give cheese to mice, same like world offer us materialistic things like world ask us, world pamper us to lure us. So when we fall for these things, it traps us and takes everything away from us. Okay, this line is very much important and very truth of the world. Okay, in this story, a young generous woman takes in the rat trap seller. Thus, the generosity and kindness she shows changes his pessimistic take on her life. This story teaches us about the essential human goodness we all must possess. What does this story teaches us? The story teaches about the essential human goodness we all must possess. Now, we are going to start this chapter, so listen very carefully, okay? Here the story begins. The story begins with a rat trap peddler who is in a rugged condition. He is dressed in rag and in very frail and looks starved. Means he was very starved and thirsty man, and he was very frail. We learned he has no home and sometimes even begs and steals to survive in the world. Earlier, I have said that in the story, here there is a man who is a good man before, but now the condition is he begs, he steals, and uses the rat trap peddler. Now he's a rat trap peddler. Okay, he leads a lonely life with no one to care about him. One fine day, it strikes to him that this whole world is a rat trap itself. If we touch it, it will be trapped us and never let us go. Okay. He goes on to think that there are people out there who are already in the rat trap and reaching to that bait. Okay? Right? One cold evening, he reaches at a cottage to ask for shelter. Okay. Now, here it is at a evening of cold evening. Okay, and man has reaches at the cottage to ask for shelter. An old crofter lived in that cottage who took in the peddler. Now, the crofter needed company, so he welcomes the peddler. He gives him hot food and even tobacco to smoke. They play cards and start talking. The peddler learns that the crofter got 30 knockner for selling his cow, which he keeps in a pouch on a window frame. The peddler leaves the next day, but after seeing the crofter leave his cottage, he come back to steal the pouch of money. Okay, after stealing it, he takes the wood to remain unsuspected. In the wood, the peddler meets an iron master who mistakes himself to be his old comrade. He invites him over the Christmas, but he refuses. After that, the Iron Master's daughter, Idla. What was the name of the Iron Master daughters? Her name was Idla. Here it is written. Okay. Now, Idla visits him and incites him to stay with them. In between, he feels sorry for stealing the crofter money. Means before he was stealing the money. They helped the peddler get a makeover and dressed him in the nice clothes and shave his beard off. After this, the Iron Master realizes he has made a mistake. The peddler was not his comrade. Thus, the Iron Master thinks he is a fraud and decided to turn him. However, Edla insists on letting him stay and celebrate Christmas with them. Her father agrees, and then they celebrate Christmas together. Next day, the Iron Master and Edla learn that the peddler was a thief. Through the church about the incident at the old crofter, they head home in a hurry thinking he must have stolen all the silver. However, to their surprise, the peddler did not steal a thing. Means here, that one thing having in our mind, that once a liar, always a liar, once a cheater, always a cheater, once a thief, always a thief. That is in our mindset. Same as Edla and Peddler, Edla and Iron Master think in their mind. And he was surprised, they all were surprised that the peddler did not steal anything. He left a note for Edla in the form a teeny rat trap. There was also a note thanking her for her kindness, which saved him from the rat trap he got caught in. Most importantly, he also left the crofter's money, asking to return it to him. Student, here the story ends. Now, what is the conclusion of the rat trap? Listen very carefully. Conclusion is very much important. In your board examination or in your pre-board examination, it may be asked that what you have learned from the chapter rat trap, what lesson you have got from the rat trap. To sum up the rat trap summary, we learned that we can change the world through kindness and compassion. In addition, it teaches us that materialistic things never bring inner joy, only love and respect does. Means love and respect is very much important in their life. If your language is rough, do make it a cute language. Means make your voice, make your vocabulary improve, make your voice good. For example, I am giving a crow and a cuckoo. Why do we hate crow? He speaks very rubbish. His voice is very much irritating. Whereas we love cuckoo. Why do we love cuckoo? We love cuckoo because her voice is very much impressive. So make your voice impressive so that everyone loves you all. So student, this was the video. Hope you all liked it. If you do liked it, please subscribe to our channel, like this video and share it to your friends. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.